Hey, how's everybody doing? Hopefully you're having a great day. So today we're talking clippers, guys. We're talking beard clippers. We're talking only $10 on Amazon, the highest rated clippers with a 4.5 rating. So you get a lot of bang for your buck. And the brand is Smikiner. That is the brand, and they say they're new. So this is straight unboxing showing you what's in the goodie bag. And he's actually charged for 60 minutes. So you charge him, you actually get 60 minutes runtime, which is great, guys. And as you can see, the great feature is this nice blue dial. That's 1 millimeter, and it goes all the way, nice, easy clicks, all the way to 2, 3, 4, all the way to 10, and you actually have the half in between. Now what they're doing is they're putting on this attachment clip, which comes off nice and easy. You just push up, and it comes right off, as you guys can see. And it comes with the second one if you want a thicker beard. And let's see if this shows up. You see it says 11 to 20 millimeters. And then you could just put the bigger one on there. It slides right on, clicks in. And again, now you got all the sizes and you're looking at the second dial, on the bottom, all the way 11 to 20. Once to 20 for my amigos. So that's great. Just turn the dial, whatever size you desire. So what else comes in the goodie box? Let me show you guys. So also, let me move it to the side. And we got all the goodies. So you got a charging cord. This is just going to plug in to the bottom like so. And then it's got a standard USB, and that's going to go into either, your laptop or pretty much your, whatever you use as a power bank for your phone charger. Fortunately, it does not have its own battery pack, so you got to use this cord and plug it into some kind of power. But that's why it's only 10 bucks, guys. And you also get some oil for the blade, and how those work. You guys know you're just going to oil the tip of the blade every so often, a little bit, have the blade running. So that comes in handy. Can be sweet like candy for your blade. And then we got a little brush it comes with as well. You got to do a little sweeping, a little wax on, wax off sometimes. No big whoop. So I'm actually going to demonstrate this, guys, for you and show you trimming my beard a little bit. Let me show you the volume right here, though, just as is. So it's got a little noise to it, but it's not too noisy. The old ones are a lot louder, and they sound like they're grinding. It's got the nice green light, as you can see on the display. Change the dials, nice and easy. So that's about it, guys, and I will demonstrate it for you. Okay, guys, ready for the big test? So now we got the clippers. We're just going to do 1 millimeter. We got the small comb on here, and just to give you a quick demonstration how it looks when you're trimming your beard, something you do, So we just go from the top to bottom. It makes a little noise, but not too loud. My beard is already very short, so you guys probably won't even notice a difference. Maybe you will on camera, I don't know. But 1 millimeter is very tight, which I like. So that's about it, guys. That's all I'm going to show. Just a little basic thing. And I'll put a link in the description below. You guys can purchase this on Amazon, And again, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Can't beat the price. It's like 10 bucks or something right now. So see you later, alligators. And good luck trimming and cutting your beard, keeping it nice and tight. All right, all right.